I'll guide you through how to start making money online. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, set your goal. Are you doing this part-time for extra cash or full-time to build a career? Once you're clear, head over to 𝗕𝘂𝗾𝗂𝗀𝘀. Go to the top right corner and click register if you're new, or just log in if you already have an account. After logging in, click on your profile icon and then hit Become a Seller. Now, this is where you build your profile. Choose your occupation based on what you want to offer. Maybe you're a graphic designer, video editor, artist, content analyst, data analyst, or social media manager. Pick something that matches your passion and skill set. Next, fill in your skills, education, certifications, and personal website if you have one. This helps build trust and credibility. After that, it's time to upload your first gig. Go through each step: title, pricing, description, and sample work. Once done, hit publish. Last but not least, promote your gig. Post your work on social media: TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter. That's how you get real clients. Start now and turn your skills into income.